Alright, look at number 4 here. I'm going to give the name of the following simple binary ionic compounds. Alright, what I need to help out with this, I've marked up my periodic table. I got my first two rows for fixed charge, always positive 1 for the first row, always positive 2 for the second. I have my nonmetals that are negative 3, negative 2, negative 1, and then I have my 4 fixed charged atoms. Aluminum, always positive 3. Zinc and cadmium are always positive 2, and silver is always a positive 1. All the rest will vary, and that might come up in this problem. Matter of fact, it will. Alright, so when I'm naming an ionic compound, I have to tell the charge if it's one of those variable charges, and I have to do that in the name. The first one, being that zinc is a fixed charge, we can just name that as zinc chloride. The next one is cesium oxide. And we have two magnesiums. Got magnesium sulfide and magnesium bromide. And barium hydride. Now, since all of those were fixed, charges, don't have to actually use any Roman numerals to tell the charge of the metal. The next 5 I do, because copper is one of those that has a variable charge, so whenever we name it, it's going to have a Roman numeral next to the name of the metal telling us the charge of that copper. Since this particular copper is with 2 chlorines, and all chlorines are negative 1, this must be a copper 2. So this is copper 2 chloride. Now we got manganese. With 2 bromines, so that is a manganese 2 bromide. And chromium with 2 iodines, so chromium 2 iodide. Got another chromium, but now it's with 3 chlorines, so that one is chromium 3 chloride. And then our final one, it's mercury. It's with an oxygen. Oxygens are negative 2, so that must be positive 2 in those 2 mercuries. So this is mercury 1. Oxide.